Ooh. Good morning. Hi, puppies. What's happening today, huh? It's snowing. We've had 3 snowstorms this week. So happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Oh, this is what our little Flober likes to do in the snow. Oh my goodness. What a silly little boy. Yep. Oh, we did our chores this morning. Got everybody their breakfast and their hay and their water. And we both have the day off today, and that was just luck of the draw because it would have been a snow day today. It's coming in kind of sideways, which is the direction it goes when it's a nor'easter. So that's interesting. I didn't realize this was a nor'easter today. We're supposed to get about 4 to 8 inches, which is almost exactly what we got on our last storm. They said 3 to 5, and then we got 6. People are still on the road, which is funny because you can barely see the road. Let's go take a look. I don't know why anybody would be out driving in this, because it just started and it's coming down pretty quick, accumulating pretty fast. Yeah, look at this road. Huh. Down the hill. Pretty treacherous. Flober, come on, leave it, let's go. All right. So when it snows like this, we just kind of give everybody their food and water in a place where it won't get covered in snow, or if they're going to eat it fast enough, it doesn't matter. The geese have their food and their water. They haven't started laying yet, and I've been getting pictures and videos from some of you in southern Maine who I've sold Sebastopol goslings to in the past. Really excited to see some of those beautiful goose eggs you guys are getting already. Macy, you're covered in snow. See the accumulations? Yeah, Dawn, I was so excited to see that goose egg picture. Oh, beautiful. And I sold some geese to a gal up in Sweden. Haven't heard yet if hers are laying. She usually reaches out to me. Oh, let's say good morning to the ewes. Let's say hello to some sheep. So they're not out today. It's snowing. So they're going to stay under cover. Good morning. Hi, pretty ladies. Lovely. Hi, girls. Good morning. We hope you guys have a great day. Stay warm and dry and safe today. We've got these ewes, and they are all looking bigger every day. We're getting excited about babies, huh, Coco? Good girls. They're covered in snow today. Apparently they were out this morning. Hi, Kaya. Good morning. Good morning, sweet girl. Excited to see the baby soon. We're about a week and a half away from their due date. So we are getting close. We can't wait. First lambs in our Dexter farm. And here's the reason we have lambs. Hi, boys. We have our beautiful rams here, Olaf and Ramtini, otherwise known as Mr. Headbutt. Yay, boys. Got some fresh hay. A few days ago, I gave them just a big old bale of hay to see how long it would last them between the 2 of them. And they finished it off in 3 days. So we're not doing that again. We're just going to give them a flake every morning and a flake every evening, and they're fine. It's all you need, boys. What is going on with the duckies? I hear a lot of ducky commotion. Let's see what's happening. Duckies, hi. Oh. Good morning. What are you saying? My goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, Shelby. We've named this goose Shelby. Oh, the duckies are just having a little wrestle this morning. This is duck wrestling. They're just competing over the right to stand by the watering hole. Everyone has that right, but in this case, these two girls are saying, well, I want that spot. No, I want that spot. Kind of like chickens establishing the pecking order. This is what ducks do. It's not as harsh as chickens. It's actually kind of cute. Yeah, and they talk all about it, huh? Yeah. So Shelby is our goose who is supposed to be living with her gaggle, but they decided that they hate her. And yeah, she's over with the ducks now. I tried to put her back with the geese a few days ago, and it didn't work. So she's back over here with the duckies, and she's happy and she's healthy. Yeah, she's doing great. All right. Happy duckies. Good ducky morning. We love you guys. Flober's in with the Rams. Flober, get over here. Come here. What are you doing? Good come. Good boy. All right. Have a great day. We love you. We'll see you soon. I'm going to go get a towel for these little snow pups. Bye.